Hey guys, I'm Sierra with LifefulAndFrugal.com. At LifefulAndFrugal.com, we teach you to live a healthier, happier, more beautiful life on less. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing below and be sure to click the little bell notification so that you never miss any of our new videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining us. So today we're going to be sharing with you probiotic yogurt dreamsicles with orange and vanilla. If you love orange, this is the recipe for you. It's packed with orange flavor, it's delicious, it's super simple, and the best part, it's full of healthy probiotics to support gut health. Another great thing is it's so delicious, your kids are going to love them as well, and it's the perfect way to sneak probiotics into their diets without them even knowing. We are using some yogurt that we actually made ourselves, and I will put in the cards above and in the description below how to make your own yogurt. It's really helpful for this recipe. If you don't want to make your own yogurt, you can totally use store-bought. We also use a little bit of store-bought sweetened yogurt. That's completely up to you, but I will put that recipe in the description below. So we hope you enjoy this. It's the perfect way to cool down on those hot summer days. It's delicious and it's simple. And I really think that your kids are going to love these. So we hope you enjoy. So without further ado, let's get started on these probiotic dreamsicles. Okay, you guys, that's it. As usual, we try to share recipes that are simple to follow, inexpensive, and delicious. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, if you tried it, how it turned out, maybe some recipe variations. I think some mango or some pineapple would be a great addition. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See the description below for some more helpful hints, and we'll see you next time. God bless.